Welcome back to Fab Automotive Detailing. In this video, you guys, we're going to take a look at Vonixx Car Care's V Plastic ceramic coating for your plastic trim. Let's do it. All right, you guys, so in my very first Vonixx video, which was just a few weeks ago, when I introduced Vonixx products to you guys, and to me, basically, I'd never used their products before. This was in the package, and I showed you guys this in the video, and it had a lot of people's interest in the comment section. They said they're very interested in this V plastic. If you guys want to check that video out, I'll put a link up here somewhere. I used the Blend All-in-One, which blew me away. And then I used the ceramic and carnauba paste wax, and then I used the Revo or Revox tire sealant in the very first video I did of their products. This product right here is a 50 ml bottle. This is $40 on Detail Ground's website. This is the Vonixx distributor in the United States. So if you want to buy Vonixx products, you have to go to their website to buy it if you live in the United States. And if you use my code FABDetailing, I'll put that down here somewhere, you get 10% off your entire order, not just on Vonixx products. They sell all kinds of products there, different companies' products. So go there and check it out, you guys. I'll put a link down in the description of the video to their website. And if you buy anything, remember to use my code. That way you can save yourself a little bit of money. 50 mil, $40, 3-year coating on the trim, 5-year coating on the interior. It says it can do, just really quick, I just read it. It works on bumpers, trims, dashboards, door panels, and more. 5-year coating on the interior. I think I just said that. And obviously your durability is all dependent on how well you prep it. They want you to prep the plastics before you apply this. Obviously you want to use like an APC, which is basically what they told me anyways. Use an APC to clean it and then go over with an IPA wipe. I have a 13% IPA wipe that I use on paint. That's exactly what I use on the trim. I did all that last night. And then today when I got home from work, we're going to put this on. And after 3 hours, you're going to put the second coat on. It has a 6-hour partial cure time and a 72-hour full cure time. It says that if it's a little glossy for you or a little bit shiny, you don't like it, you can knock it down with a microfiber towel as soon as you apply it to get rid of some of that shine. And then once again, remember, 3 hours in between the first and second coat. And they do recommend 2 coats, you guys. All right, you guys, so inside the box, I'll show you. You have the coating itself. Once again, it's a 50 ml bottle. Here's your coating. Okay. And then the applicators, there's 2. They actually say Vonixx on them, and they're like just a foam. It's not sponge, but foam. I think I said sponge earlier. It's like a foam applicator, and you get 2. You get extra in there. And it says to clean them immediately after with like a prep cleaner that they sell, and then you can reuse them. I'm trying to remember what it was called because the directions... I'm not going to say this right. It's REVELAX. Revelax, I guess is probably the name. And to clean it, it's their surface prep to clean the trim before. I just use an APC and an IPA, and the trim looks great. We're going to do a 50-50. We're going to install this. We're going to see what it looks like, and I can't wait. All right, you guys, so I want to show you what the trim looks like first. And actually, surprisingly, when I got home tonight, I was like, okay, the trim doesn't look too bad once I cleaned it up with the APC and then the IPA wipe. But there's still problems with the trim, as you can see. Definitely still discolored. I'm going to do all this trim up here. This back here was really gray yesterday. It's not nearly as bad. But as you can see, it still has issues. I did this. I already spray painted this, so I'm not doing that. And then I'm going to do this. I'm only doing a couple on camera for you guys, and then I'm going to get this done because it's a work night. Like in 3 hours, I got to come back out here and do it again. So, and then all of the plastics down here also. So yeah, that's what I got to do. And most likely this mirror. I tried cleaning this off and it would not come off no matter what I did. So all right, let's do this one over here. We got the 50-50 set up. Make sure you're wearing gloves, safety first. And I'll show you a little trick of what I will do to try to keep it off the paint so I don't have to tape the paint off. All right, you guys, so let's get to it. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to take like a little 3x5 card. I'm going to put it right here so I don't get it on the paint. I really don't want to put paint or tape on my paint. This paint has already been waxed and protected. And anytime that you put a tape on your paint, you can swell the paint. So I just want to be cautious, and I'm just going to do it like this. and we'll see what happens. Alrighty. Now, it doesn't say to shake well, but I always shake my coatings. It is an SiO2 product, just in case there's any separation. Open it up here. Okay, let's just put some drops on. Oh, crap. I don't know how much to put on. I tried to find videos on YouTube on this, you guys, and I couldn't find any videos, so let's see how much that does. That may not be enough. Let's see what happens here. Oh crap, it's plenty. It's probably way too much. This is what happens when you have never used a product before. And there was no videos on YouTube for me to watch. Hoping I didn't get that too wet. Kind of looks like I may have. Okay, so you only need a couple drops. I put way too much, but this is why I make videos. We learn together. Okay. Let me show you guys what that looks like. Looks pretty shiny. Let's go ahead and remove the tape. Holy cow, look at that 50-50. Move this light over. Holy smokes. That looks awesome. A little glossy for me, so, because you guys know me, kind of like tires, I do not want a bunch of gloss, so let's knock it down like it says. If you want a satin finish, knock it down. So I brought a towel. I'll throw this towel away when I'm done. I'm going to go this way with it so I don't push it over here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's really nice now. That was just a little bit too glossy for me. Oh yeah, that looks fantastic. Look at that now. Obviously my towel made those rigid marks, but yeah, we're going to let it cure up. Let's go ahead and finish this piece of trim. Obviously, it's not going to fix scratches in your trim or anything like that. I really don't have any way to get in these letters, you guys. Okay, now we're just going to wipe it down just like the other side to get rid of this shine. You guys, that looks really good. We'll see what it looks like once it's cured, obviously. But this is the piece I haven't done. And then obviously this is the piece I have. It's still curing. Look how nice that looks. It's still a little wet. I'm going to go back over it with the towel. This plastic has obviously never been treated in its entire existence, so it's going to be as good as it can get. But that looks so much better than it did before. So, all right, I'm going to finish this side. So I am done with this side, the driver's side, you guys. It was very easy. It does have a little bit of a smell to it. So wearing a mask, I probably would recommend it. It's not terrible. It's not like a normal ceramic coating, but it definitely has a pretty good little smell to it, just FYI. Very happy with what it looks like. I'm wiping them down when I get done. Just look how nice that finish looks. Remember, it's going to be 3 hours to cure. And this back piece, nice and rich black. Looks really nice compared to this. I have not done this one. You guys can tell the difference. It's so hard to tell in trim when it's inside. There's no sun because it's raining. And I did this also. And what I did is I just took the little foam applicator and just kind of folded it in half and pushed it down into all these little, in between the E's and the J and the P. So very happy with it. This trim's pretty beat up. It's not going to look perfect. Let me turn this light on. I mean, like, see all these scratches right here? Nothing you can do about all that. But, I mean, it looks really good. It's nice in a rich black. So, I'm very happy with that, you guys. I'm going to finish the rest of the car. All right, you guys, so it has been 3 hours exactly, because this is a work night, so it's 9:30. I need to get this done, so I'm going to take a shower and get ready to go to work tomorrow. Very happy. I don't see any streaking. The plastic looks really nice, as you can see. Once again, nothing you can do about stuff like that. That's scrapes in the plastic. Feels nice. I mean, it looks really good. Extremely good. I'm really happy with these because these look pretty bad. Completely dry to the touch. I know doing this inside and not be able to take it outside because of the rain, I'm probably going to have spots that I miss. I can almost guarantee it. The outside light always tells you a different story than your garage lighting, but looks so good. I mean, that right there looks amazing. Now what I did with my applicator is as soon as I was done, I took my Optimum paint prep and I absolutely doused this thing in it, and I just kept massaging it like this with my fingers, and then I ran it underneath warm water, and I brought it out in the garage. I set it on the shelf. I put a fan in front of it, 3 hours ago. So, and it's completely dry. It's not hard. It's because it says you need to clean it immediately, and you can reuse it. So that is correct. It's still good. All right, let's apply this second coat. I'm not going to show you a lot of this either. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. The main thing is let's see what the end results look like. I'd say the only complaint that I have on this coating is this dropper is just not working very good. But other than that, I mean, it's stupid simple. It's really easy. Okay, I'm going to start here. I'm just going to work my way down. Oops, wrong one. Oh, I had my towel in my hand. I need this. That's not working very well right now. And a little bit does go a long way. Which is always great with detailing products. You know what I'm noticing? This second coat's not nearly as glossy, but I am going to wipe it really, really lightly. All right, you guys, so it has been 72 hours. I want to show you guys what the trim looks like. It looks fantastic. I'm very, very happy with it. I did on the mirror, by the way, just to show you. And then up here, it looks so good, you guys. Get up close to it to show you guys. Look how nice that looks. And then down here, it has been sitting outside all day because I got a car in the garage I'm detailing. These are scuffs. There's nothing to do about that. Probably from April getting in to move it. This is fab. But I really like this. This just looks brand new. I could not be happier. Oh, there's Old Glory. I could not be happier with that. Down here, that looks really nice now. Back here. It did actually rain on it earlier, but it's been 72 hours, so it's cured. It's supposed to rain here in a little bit and all day tomorrow. So if I see it tomorrow, I will put a shot in here of it wet. But I can tell you it beads up just like a ceramic coating does, really uniform beading. I'm really happy with this, and it was so easy to do. Just apply it and then 3 hours later, do it again. Pretty easy. All right, you guys, so it has been about a month since we applied the trim coating to the Commander. I'm gonna show you guys, we just got home. It's really hot. The sun's been beating on it, but it's still wet. So I wanna show you guys what the hydrophobics look like. You can see, very good hydrophobics. It's kind of drying up here, but I am so happy with the way this trim looks. Very happy with it. And then all this back here. This over here is pretty much dry, but I can show you kind of what the water looks like. And then I put it on the mirrors also, as you can see. All right, you guys, so that's going to do it for this video. The V Plastic trim by Vonixx is a fantastic product. I have no problem recommending you guys going and buying it. It's not real expensive. It's $39.99 and it's a 50 ml bottle. And I did all the trim on that, and it's about even with the label. I hope you guys can see that here. Let me try to knock the sun off of it. There you go. You guys can see I didn't use a ton. I can tell you that the applicator, I did clean it afterwards like they say to, but it's still hardened up. Luckily, there's another one in the kit. And the microfiber towels that I used to knock it down, they actually hardened up also. Now, I will tell you, I was just reading through the notes that he sent me, Detail Ground that sent me when they sent me this, and it said tip, if you want a matte finish, to knock it down after 2 minutes. I did not do that in this video. I didn't pay attention to the directions that he sent me, obviously, but I still had zero issues with it. It still looks fantastic. It's hydrophobic. You can tell the coating's there. It's a rich, deep black, you guys. It just looks so nice. In person, camera probably doesn't do it justice. In person, it just looks really nice. It looks like brand new trim on this, what's this, 13-year-old Commander that's probably never had any dressings or anything put on the trim, you guys. So it is awesome. I just think it looks really good, and I've said this 100 times. I'm very happy with the way that this product performed. It's very user-friendly. If you're a beginner, never use a ceramic coating, you want to use it on, start with trim. That's an easy way to do it. Gets you used to it. Make sure it's in a well-ventilated area. It does have a little bit of a ceramic smell to it because it's a true coating. But other than that, you guys, it's fantastic. And like I said, I have no problem recommending it to you guys. I will leave a link down in the description of the video where you can find this. Detail Ground is who sent this to me. It'll be a link to their website with my code right down here, so you can get a discount on it, you guys. And like I said, it's a 3-year protection, and it's very easy to use. You guys would love it. So thank you guys so much for checking this video out. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Join the Fab family. We'd love to have you. We'll see you in the next video.